Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to hyperlink to a page in the same document in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to hyperlink to one page to another page. Go to the page. Now I select a text to this page. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Then select the link option. And we can see here open a window. Then we move this window some side. Then go to the page in this document section. And we can see here the page 2, page 3. Now I click the page 3. Then select the OK option. Now we can see the text is blue colored. Now we press Ctrl on our keyboard and click this hyperlink text, and we can see we go to the third page very easily. Now we can see we hyperlink to one page to another page in same document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.